What's up guys, MixedSid here, back again for another Halloween cocktail. Because happy Halloween guys, and today's cocktail for Halloween will be the Massacre Martini, and it is a 3-ingredient special. So you got your vodka, cranberry juice and grenadine, and I will show you how to make this. So you get a shaker and put some ice. The first ingredient to go in guys is 30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. Next is 30ml or 1 ounce of grenadine.
What do you think it is?
Yep. Very Halloween. And the last ingredient is 60ml or 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Right, so put your lid on. Now give it a hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. Now strain into your Martini glass. As you can see, it's got a nice red blood colour to it. Alright, and the final thing to do guys is garnish it with an eyeball. There you go, a nice Massacre Martini. Right, how does it taste? Oh, it tastes bloody delicious, that's gorgeous.
Finally a Halloween cocktail we liked.
Can't get enough of that. To me that's a banging one, that's 10 out of 10, it's beautiful. So the grenadine, I think the 30ml 1 ounce does it, because it's just very sweet. I know it knows me, I do like my sweet cocktails, it's got a bit of a sweet tooth. But that is the Massacre Martini, I'd really recommend this. But that is all now for Halloween cocktails for another year gone.
Boo.
I know. So we'll have to wait 1 year again till it's October again. But I thought you enjoyed the series, the Halloween cocktail themes, because as the bar will be taken down, well, the decoration will be taken down after this. And then we'll be on to normal cocktails, so if you've got any suggestions, let me know in the comments below, any cocktails you wish to see. But that is all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid as we're trying to get to 600 now. 600 before 2021. Can we do it? But thank you for all the support throughout 2020 and have a happy Halloween guys. Cheers.